What is up, y'all? What's going on, boutique babies? And welcome back to Sharon's Nail Boutique. I'm your host, Sharon. And please don't forget, if you are new here, to like and subscribe to this channel because it definitely helps me out the most. And welcome back to all my existing boutique babies. I love y'all so much. Thank you so much for being here. Let's get right into this video. So today we are doing a spring butterfly set using the entire kit from Makartt's Mariposa Mayhem set. So I'm just going in with their 180 grit hand file and making sure that my nails are trimmed down enough so I can go in with those tips that I have from GELLA, which are the no C-curve square ones, and I'll leave the links for these products as usual in the description index below. If you have any questions, please feel free to pop them in the comments. I always respond back to my subscribers and my commenters, and I always show love and support back to people who subscribe to me. So please make sure that you hit that bell so you could be reminded every time I put up a video as well. So as you see me here doing, I am using my cuticle ball bit on the lowest speed. It looks fast right now because I've sped it up, but I go in at 3000 RPM, literally the lowest. So I'm going in now. I was advised I was doing it the wrong way, which I very much appreciate that. So I am doing it right this time with the cuticle oil and the top coat, a top coat that I don't care about. This is an old Gel 2 one. And then I'm going to use Makartt's base coat to go in and glue my tips on after I've done my, basically my homemade peel off base coat. So let me know if I'm doing this wrong, y'all. Like, am I just supposed to do the peel off base coat and then put the tips on, however, and do no base coat on top of that? Because after I filed down the tips and roughed up the surface, after this part, I go back in with a base coat over the full nail and then do the polygel. So let me know, am I just supposed to rough up the surface and don't even worry about the base coat? Like, does that make it harder to peel off the nails, or no? Like, it doesn't affect it at all? Let me know in the comments below. So I'm just going in now. Please excuse my microwave in the background. Yes, so I'm all over the place today. Excuse me, ladies. But I'm so excited for this set. I'm so excited because I've only used this kit once before when I first got it. And I absolutely adore these colors. They're so pretty. Now, normally I do this step with my hand file, and I never recommend using the mandrel bit over the natural nail. As you can see, I'm using this over the tip only. I will never touch my natural nail with this mandrel bit. And trust me, I've been tempted, but my nails are already thin enough on their own. And every single time this mandrel bit is used on the natural nail bed itself, it removes layers of nail. So just keep that in mind. And people will tell you it's the same thing. It's literally not, because your hand doesn't turn. Your hand doesn't have RPMs in it. So if you could imagine your hand spinning in a circle and going back and forth, that would be the equivalent of the mandrel bit. But your hand doesn't do that. It doesn't turn like the earth going around the sun. Like it, yeah, no. No gravity here, but yeah. So moving on, don't want to rant too much about that. But so I'm going in with the base coat now from Makartt. In all honesty though, guys, back to my little rant. I'm not going to rant. I personally, whatever works for you all out there, do what works for you. I'm not here to tell anybody how to perfect anything. I'm not a professional perfectionist at anything. I try to be, but no one is perfect. Like, everyone has their own techniques that they use. So whatever works for you all out there, that's what you need to do. I just recommend, for health tips and keeping your nails nice and natural and growing healthy. So moving on, I'm doing like a marble ombre on this thumb here, and I took all 4 of those colors. I know it's hard to see the names. One of them is Morpho, another one is, let me see here because I have the list. Here we go. So one is Rebirth, one is Chat Up, Wings, and Morpho. So Morpho is the purple, Wings is the like apple kind of teal color, Chat Up is that beautiful like orangey color, and Rebirth is that pink color. So now I'm going in with my Calla Lily that I got in my February Makartt membership box. I actually stopped getting the subscriptions because I feel like they're even $35 a month. Even though it may sound affordable, you're not getting a whole bunch of products in there. Like, honestly, I really feel like the boxes are a ripoff. Seriously, you could just get yourself a kit and for cheaper than that from Makartt and get more products in there. Like January's box, I felt kind of ripped off. Like, it only came with 2 acrylics, nails, and like a couple other gel polishes, I believe. And personally, I feel like, yes, it may sound like you're getting a lot for your money, but that's not really getting a lot for your money when you consider that there are 2 2-ounce products. The acrylics are okay, but they're not the greatest quality. I'm a little upset at Makartt right now because I was in their ambassador program and my password got messed up on my account one day and it kicked me out, and I've been trying to get back in touch with them ever since, and they've just been kind of dicking me around back and forth, telling me, oh, you need to talk to these people, you need to talk to those people. You know, as much money as I've spent at Makartt, you would think that they would be a bit more transparent and helpful and wanting to be helpful and trying to see whatever they could do to get you going in the right direction again. But no, that didn't happen. So, you know, I'm going to use Makartt's products, but I'm not going to like oversell them. I personally love their products, but their customer service sucks. So yeah, and customer service is everything to me. So moving on. I finished that ombre, pulling the Calla Lily Pink over the ombre colors. And now we are going in with our amazing marble dump. Did y'all see how I just kind of dabbed those colors one after another? Then I took my dotting tool and I just pulled through the colors. I love how marble dumps come out. They're just so nice. I really, really love how this one came out. I actually was going to do a marble ombre on this as well with the marble dump, but then I was like, you know, it looks so pretty as a full nail. So let me do that. I'm going to come back and encapsulate it, but now we're going to go in on the rest of the nails and do ombres. So we're going to do an ombre with Morpho, we're going to do an ombre with Wings, and we're going to do an ombre with Rebirth. And I'm going to use Calla Lily Pink to go over the tops of those. And then we're going to come in at the end and do like butterfly swirls, like S swoops. And we'll encapsulate using Makartt's Clear. And on the marble dump nail, I actually end up going in with stickers from their kit as well. The holographic, like 2-tone, 3-toned ombre stickers, the butterfly stickers. So I use 2 full butterflies, and then I use a half butterfly one at like the bottom left hand corner of the nail. So I really love this set. The colors are so freaking pretty. I love the iridescence throughout the colors. It just is so pretty. I love these colors for spring. They're perfect for spring. The Mariposa Mayhem is perfect for this time of year because obviously with spring, right, you know, you see the butterflies coming out, the flowers are starting to bloom. So yes, I was inspired by all of it. And I'm like, you know, I haven't used this kit in a long time, so let's get it. I think the next one I'm going to use is probably the Eber Rouge kit or the House of Florists. I don't know, though. I'm kind of stumped because I kind of want to use the Landfo Green Polygel kit, too, because I just seen a really cute set of spring polygel nails using the green. So I may do that. So we're going to finish up doing these ombres using the Calla Lily Pink up at that cuticle area and making sure that our blend area is nice. If we have any excess, you know, we'll just kind of swipe it off. But for the most part, we just want to kind of blend that, make sure our brush is semi-dry as we're blending that. So it makes for a really, really good blend line with your ombre. If anyone is interested in watching a video of me show you all how I perfect my ombres using Polygel, I've talked about it in several videos before, but I've never really broke it down for you all, like step by step. So let me know if you're interested in seeing that. So I'm gonna go in here. I know I went up a little high on this ombre. Truth be told, it doesn't really matter a whole bunch as long as up there is not too thick. We're gonna cover that up anyways with our Calla Lily Pink, and yes, so that won't even show. I think I went up high like that because I may have used a little bit too much when I, you know, pulled this out of the bottle. Sometimes it's hard to tell how much you need. Sometimes you get it spot on, like you have just enough, and then other times you have too much or way too much. So I'm just going in with a small amount here for our blends, our ombre blends, and making sure that I build up my apex enough, not too much, but enough so when I come in with the clear to encapsulate, I don't really gotta put like a thick amount of clear. I'm just literally encapsulating the glitters and making sure that the body of the nail is built up enough and encapsulated enough so when we come into file, we're not going to cut into any of that design or glitter or anything like that, because we worked really hard on this. So, and I know I say we because truthfully, excuse me, it's all of us. I do this for you guys, so it's not just for me, because if it were just for me, I don't know, I might be like doing all types of crazy designs and be all over the place. I kind of feel like I am now too, like, because I don't really get a whole lot of requests, so it would be awesome if you all requested any type of designs or anything like that. I would love to hear from you. Just putting the stickers on now, and then we're going to encapsulate using Makartt's clear Polygel, and that'll be it, y'all. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I love y'all so much. Please do not forget to be a boutique baby along with all my other boutique babies. It would help me out so much, a great deal. It means the most to me, the absolute world. And I always show love back to everybody that shows me love. I'm even subscribed to people that aren't subscribed to me. I have thousands of subscriptions, so yes, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see y'all in my next one. Don't forget to love each other and yourselves to the moon and back, and just exuberate positivity, y'all. All right, y'all, I'll be doing my picking a winner for the glitter mixes soon, probably in the next couple of days. Don't forget to watch that video so you can get my email address and some of your information if you're picked as a winner. And yeah, I think that's it. Next up is the cuticle oil, and that's it, y'all. Love y'all so much. See you in my next one. Bye, babies.